Jess, I'm sorry about the bad news.
What bad news?
You don't know? About Dave Franklin?
What's happened to him?
No, he's fine.
We need him.
No, he's rejected you guys and he's going with the girls.
I didn't even know the girls wanted him.
The girls wanted him as well, and he chose them.
Why'd he go for them? Is it because they're Olympians?
No, I don't know.
I've been calling him like a stalking ex-girlfriend for the past 5 days. I offered him beer, I offered him a barbecue. What was wrong with that?
He's knocked you back.
No.
You need to find another landscaper. The legendary Dave Franklin is going with the netballers.
I know you've won every year, Dave Franklin, but I tell you what, it's 2018. It's time for a change. He'll rue the day. He'll rue the day that he rejected Norman Jess. Plants. That's all I've got to say.
That pain was back again.
Plants.
You've done it again.
It's still back.
Dave's done it to me again. He's done me again. Dave.
Unlucky.
Plants. He said, no, I've done it again. It's a long day. I've had such...
Try that one.